In today's video, I will teach you how to make this type of poster design in Photoshop. First, add a gradient adjustment layer for the background. Lock this layer. Go to the layer menu, choose the place embedded. I have this PNG image with a remove background. Place another image with the same process. Right-click and rasterize layer. Use the pen tool and make a selection. Press Ctrl plus Enter for selection line and delete. Add layer mask. Use the brush tool and erase unwanted area. Add a black and white adjustment layer. Set the tone with levels. Add solid color adjustment layer. Right-click on the layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Press Ctrl plus I. Select Brush Tool and use these settings. Use a brush with the white foreground color. Add blank layer and apply shadow with a black foreground color. Press Ctrl plus T and adjust. And add text to it. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.